The way the FleetSTATS program is impacting our daily operations, it's been a huge benefit. My name is David Andrus. I'm a regional sourcing category manager for DHL, headquartered out of Westerville, Ohio. There are just over 7,000 trucks in our fleet. If those trucks were just touched twice a year, that's 14,000 plus service calls right there. So the number of service calls is in the thousands. Prior to the FleetSTATS program, I was probably spending in a given week, probably a good 4 hours, so 10% of my time, trying to solve invoicing billing issues with the former program that we had. And it all goes back to the accrual process that our sites and GMs have to do. And the timeliness, again, of receiving those invoices. And the other thing was, there was no upfront visibility to the charges. Where with FleetSTATS, our site GMs or ops managers have the ability to reject it or accept it. If it's accepted, it then goes to the monthly consolidation. If it's rejected, then the site and the Crown local branch or dealer have to work out the issue for that particular invoice. It's been seamless, to be honest. The way the FleetSTATS program is impacting our daily operations, it's been a huge benefit.